Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy way to keep your Telegram chats organized. If your message list feels cluttered, archiving conversations is the perfect solution. Let's walk through the updated steps to archive any chat in just moments. First, open your Telegram app. Whether you're on Android or iOS, tap that familiar paper airplane icon to launch it. Once you're in, you'll see all your active chats listed. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the specific conversation you want to archive. Maybe it's an old group chat, a completed project discussion, or just something you'd rather tuck away for now. Now, here's the magic move. Swipe left on the chat. Yes, it's that simple. A smooth swipe from right to left across the chat name will reveal an archive option. Tap it, and poof, the chat disappears from your main list. Don't worry though, it's not gone forever. Archived chats live in a dedicated folder, keeping them out of sight but still accessible whenever you need them. To find your archived chats later, scroll to the very top of your chat list. You'll see a section labeled Archived Chats. Tap it, and there they are. All your tucked-away conversations, safe and sound. If you ever want to bring a chat back to the main list, just swipe left on it in the archive folder and select Unarchive. One pro tip. If you want to archive multiple chats at once, press and hold one chat to select it, then tap the others you'd like to move. Once they're all selected, hit the three dots in the top corner and choose Archive. Boom. Batch cleanup done. Archiving is ideal for keeping your Telegram tidy without losing important conversations. It's like putting documents in a drawer instead of tossing them in the trash. Plus, if a muted archived chat gets a new message, it won't pop back into your main list unless you want it to. And there you have it. A clutter-free Telegram in just a few swipes. Give it a try and take control of your chat list today. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.